software maker Dassault Systemes has raised its revenue forecast for the year after reporting quarterly profit that beat analyst estimates. It expects sales growth from new licenses to climb by more than a third. Dassault Systemes does most of its business in the United States and Europe. Let's break down the results and look at the future of 3D simulation with Dassault Systemes President and CEO Bernard Chalez is here with me. Mr. Chalez, thank you very much indeed for joining us. You have beat estimates. What do you put that down to? Is it because corporations now spending again when they were holding back in the previous years?
I think there are two major drivers. One is the fast-growing countries, especially Asia. Asia is up 21%. And the second aspect is diversification. As you know, we are almost the world standard in aerospace and automotive, but now in industry like energy. On infrastructure are also investing, so life science, Benetton, we also in apparel. So the dynamic of product creation, I guess, is back again.
You do most of your business in the United States and Europe. Where do we have the biggest problems right now? The United States and Europe. What would be the impact on your business should the United States be downgraded?
Well, first of all, we do 30% of our revenue in Asia. Asia is as big as United States, even bigger than United States. So, so the driver really is the fast-growing countries, Latin America, the eastern countries of Europe, on China and India. This is where we have seen significant double-digit growth, and I think the 36% new license growth is mainly coming from there. In America, we do well this quarter, and I think the full year will be a good year. We are 20% up second quarter. I think it's a question of where you are in the maturity curve. America is still investing in many new products, on creativity for new product lines, sustainable development, energy. GE is a customer, for example. So we have a good visibility for the second half.
Now, you've made quite a few acquisitions lately. Are you still on the acquisition trail, and are you looking for smaller companies, or you've got bigger players in your sights?
Well, as you know, we have a pile of cash, and we have capacity to really acquire, but we have always been very selective on technology, teams, and it has to make sense. So we will continue on that path, but I don't think we will create big surprise. And I don't like to buy market share. I like to gain market share. So we will not do things only for consolidation, but more for leadership.
How quickly do you see clients migrating to cloud versions of software?
This is an interesting question. We sell enterprise software, and most of the enterprise software is still what we call on-premise. I mean, you install it in your company. I think cloud is a huge opportunity because it will reduce the cost of ownership for companies, and it's very flexible in terms of speed of deployment. We have signed an agreement with Amazon a few weeks ago. It's a big announcement, and it's a big event for us. And I think the first signs that we have from clients is they like it, because flexibility, speed to deploy, and the globalization of it. It will take time.
And it certainly will take time to develop, but that is certainly the future. Bernard Chalez, very good to talk to you from Dassault Systemes. Thank you very much indeed.